Brigade Hotel Ventures Limited. Initial public offering to open on Thursday, 24th July 2025. Price band fixed at Rs 85 to Rs 90 per equity share of face value of 10 rupees each equity shares, times bid issue opening date. Underscore Thursday 24th July 2025 and bid issue closing date Monday, 28th July 2025. Anchor date. The anchor investor bidding date is 1 working day prior to bid issue opening date, being Wednesday, 23rd July 2025. Bids can be made for a minimum of 166 equity shares.
So we've had a very stable team and a team that has seen this portfolio grow to where it is now, and a team that will stay with us for the next phase of growth as well. A little bit on the personal side, I have always been interested in hospitality as a child, because every time we traveled or visited a hotel, we would do the full dissection of, as a family over dinner, as to what went right, what could have been better, and so that keen interest has always been there in this asset class. In fact, during my college days, I did an internship in the Leela Palace in Bangalore in front office and sales, and also in Four Seasons in Singapore, where the internship was in finance and housekeeping. So I have had my share of making beds, of cleaning overflowing toilets, of clearing the trash in hotel rooms, and I have worked pretty much in most of the departments, even in hotel operations. After college, I started working with Ernst & Young in the New York office, and had a chance to work on one of the largest leverage buyout deals in the hospitality space. A private equity firm was buying out a gaming company, so a casino gaming company, and I found the whole process and the industry very interesting. So while I was working, I started taking classes in NYU, New York School of Continuing Education and Hospitality Management, and really enjoyed it. And that made my decision to do my master's from Cornell University in hospitality real estate. So finished that in 2009 and came back to work with Brigade to help grow the hospitality division. So when I came back in the year 2009-10, that was the first full year of operations, our top line was hardly 20 crores. And fast forward 16 years, our top line is now 23 times that of what it was in 2009 and 10. And despite the market conditions being tough, we have seen at least 2 cycles in the hospitality space. We have created a portfolio of hotels that make us the second largest hotel owners in South India, and the 4th largest hotel owner in terms of number of keys in India. However, post-COVID, market dynamics have greatly changed, making the hospitality industry a very sought-after industry and one with very high growth potential. What we have built in the last 18 years, we built 9 hotels in 18 years. We plan to do the next 4 to 5 years. So this is a high growth phase for our entire space. We have actually tied up 5 hotels with the land and the brand, another 3 where we've tied up the brand, and 1 more hotel where we bought the land for, which I will talk about in the presentation. So from our side, it's been very exciting to witness the metamorphosis that the entire hospitality industry has gone through, and it's our honor and privilege to be able to contribute to the tourism and business sector of this great country. We are ready and confident for this next phase of growth. I will now take you through our BHVL portfolio and our plans for the next 4 to 5 years. So as mentioned, the team, I do want to add Mr. Manoj Agarwal has joined us also recently to help us with our operations as COO and to help give a more focused effort to our BHVL. So as you know, Brigade has been in the development space for the last 38 years. We've built more than 100 million square feet as of March 31st, 2025. But the hospitality portfolio officially was set up in 2009 with the launch of our first hotel, Grand Mercure, Bangalore. And our philosophy has been that we are brand agnostic, so we work with all tier 1 top global operators, and also segment agnostic. So we do have 1 hotel in the 3-star category, 2 hotels in the 4-star category, 5 hotels in 5-star, and 1 in the 5-star deluxe. One of the reasons for working with global operators is because of their global distribution network. They have the ability to market to customers in the US and in Europe, in East Asian countries as well, and also of course their management expertise and the ability to attract human resources because of the global opportunities they provide. So this is our existing portfolio. Currently the ones where you have the pictures have already been built, and the ones where there are no pictures are yet to be built. We have 2 hotels with Marriott, but 6 more on the way. So operating is of course the Sheraton Grand Hotel, Bangalore Brigade Gateway, and the 4 Points by Sheraton in Kochi.